Hello, we're going to take less than 5 minutes to talk Kahoot and Canvas. So here we go. Again, I'm not going to add a Kahoot button to my homepage. I'm going to show you how you can link or embed an exact Kahoot quiz right to Canvas. So we're not just going to take kids to kahoot.it and have them type in a code and compete together, which of course you can do. It's fun to compete together. But let's say you want to assign a Kahoot instead of competing together. So let's go into Kahoot. And I'm just going to grab this English grammar 5th grade quiz. We're going to click on it. And I've already used it, so it's asking play again. So we'll click play again. Okay, if I'm doing this live with my class, of course, I'm just going to click start. I'm going to uncheck this one, and I'm going to click assign. So kids will be able to play this at their own pace. I can complete and add to this section, switch on and off randomization if you want to make, if that's okay with you. And I can set a time to end the Kahoot, and then I'm going to click create. And now once I click create, I'm still within that grammar Kahoot. I have an option to just copy that URL. So I can copy that URL, I can take it back to Canvas, and then I can decide where to place it. And I'm always going to encourage to place things within modules. And this is a link not just to Kahoot, but it's to that exact grammar Kahoot. So if I have a writing module or a grammar module, that's probably going to be the place to go. So there's my writing module, it's grammar. So let's click on the plus here. I'm going to switch it from assignment to external URL. We'll paste that link. Grammar Kahoot, add some emojis if I want to. Indenting is arbitrary. Click add item. There it is. I'm done, except for publishing it. And I can unpublish it the moment I don't want kids to see it. Now, if I want to get a little fancier, I can use an embed code for that Kahoot. But you notice there's no option here for embedding. So here's where it gets a little bit tricky. I still have that code this time, and this would work for many, 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 many websites that you could embed for students. I'm going to go over to Iframe Generator. This is what it looks like, iframegenerator.com. And I'm going to paste that exact web code that I had, and then I'm going to click generate. This will be my HTML code or my code to embed within that site. Now I can play around and I can switch the margins, the height and the height and the width and things like that. But once it's here and I copy it, it's going to be as is with these dimensions, but I can always go back and change it within the pixels. But let's go back to my course. And this time, instead of just a link taking them to the code, I'm going to add plus. And this time I'm going to say, let's make it a page. So I'm going to embed this on a page. I'm not going to embed it as an assignment. So let's say Grammar Kahoot, add item. And now I've got a blank page. I'm going to click on and open that page, and I will edit it. Let's click edit. And I have 2 different ways I can embed. When I'm in the rich content editor, I can look for the cloud icon. Usually it's not visible here, but I click on the 3 dots. There it is. There's where I can place an embed code from anything, Padlet, Kahoot, you name it. Here we go. Submit. And I can actually do this Kahoot right now, I think. There's my English grammar. It tells me how long it's open for. There's the spot to enter the nickname. Let's just save and publish. And let's view it in student view just to see what students would see. Here's my student view. So students would go to modules, they would click on Grammar Kahoot, and this is exactly what they would see, and they're staying right within Canvas. So if you're guarding your students, you'll see that they're in Canvas, not in Kahoot. They can enter their nickname right from here and say, okay, go, and I can do this Kahoot right within Canvas. Haven't even left. And it's starting. Let's see if I know the answer for the first question. Oh boy. Okay, let's wait for my answers. Yep, taught. There we go. So this is happening right within Canvas. Pretty cool, huh? All right, like, follow, and subscribe for more tips. As always, give me a little feedback as to how this video helped you. Have a great day. Under 5 minutes. Love it.